Your best life is buried under those notifications. 8 hours of scrolling. What's left? Hollow victory in pixels. Feel that itch? That ticking clock of you screaming through the static. Let chaos lose its grip. Break the algorithm's pulse with stillness. Rewrite the script. Deleted apps. Earn minutes. Colors drained to gray. You think this is about screens? No, this is Dragon Slayer work. Slay the ghosts that haunt your attention. Find your hands again. Let them hold books, instruments, real conversations. Your soul wasn't made for doom scrolling. It was made to hatch wild dreams from the cage of later. Prove your thumb can do more than swipe and watch the world sharpen. Now, turn the lock. Let your screen scream into the void. When you look up, Kid Legend awaits.